मुझे सुबह जल्दी उठना है। I have to wake up early. I have to wake up early. हमें रात का खाना बनाना है। We have to make dinner. We have to make dinner. मेरा सब्र मत आजमाओ। Don't try my patience. Don't try my patience. आप ये कैसे करते हैं? How do you do that? How do you do that? वो मेरे ख्वाब में आया। He came into my dream. He came into my dream. आज क्या दिन है? What's the day today? What's the day today? फर्श पर न थूकें। Don't spit on the floor. Don't spit on the floor. देखो यहाँ बिस्तर लगाओ। Look, make bed over here. Look, make bed over here. अब खेल ख़त्म हो गया है। Now the game is over. Now the game is over. थोड़ा बोलो मगर सच बोलो। Speak little but speak the truth. Speak little but speak the truth. तुम ऐसा कहने वाले कौन हो? Who are you to say that? Who are you to say that? तुम मेरा कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकते। You can't do anything to me. You can't do anything to me. कुछ गड़बड़ है। Something is fishy. Something is fishy. मैं इस बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता। I don't know about that. I don't know about that. चाँद का टुकड़ा हो तुम। You are really a piece of moon. You are really a piece of moon. दिल को दिल से राह होती है। Love begets love. Love begets love. फिक्र ना करो। Don't worry. Don't worry. जल्दबाजी ना करो। Don't be hasty. Don't be hasty. उसकी नीयत ख़राब है। His intention is wrong. His intention is wrong. मुझे चापलूसी पसंद नहीं है। I don't like flattering. I don't like flattering. ये तुम्हारा मसला नहीं है। This is not your concern. This is not your concern. मेरा मूड ख़राब मत करो। Don't spoil my mood. Don't spoil my mood. Spoil mean ख़राब करना। मेरे पास कोई और चारा नहीं है। I have no other option. I have no other option. कितना शातिब दिमाग है तुम्हारा। Such a foxy mind you have. Such a foxy mind you have.